We're here right now in Mactan and Island Central Mall, and we're looking for a good place to eat. I'm with Ramsey Rizal, by the way. So, Ram, asa ka tabangan? So let's explore this place, guys. Wow, CookPub, modern Korean bistro and bar. Bye, that looks interesting. Let's check out kung maay nilang pagkaon. Let's go. So hi guys, this is Belle, the general manager here. So Belle, ano sa'yo lami dito?
Tanan pagkaon sir, lami.
Pwes, ordero na tong tanan. Sige Belle, order big tanan.
Sige sir. Sir, nanay mo order sir.
Sige. Bay, kamali yung kaon na niya. Hindi na ako mahurot. So I'm here with the head chef, the big boss, Alvin. So Alvin, what makes you different from the other Korean restaurants here in Cebu?
Its name is our CookPub is modern Korean bistro and bar. So the meaning of CookPub is another term of the chef, and then pub is a short term of public. So the chef is here in the public place where the guest came enjoying the modern Korean cuisine, which is served with the not only authentic style, plus many young people can enjoy.
So it's a type of people that we can enjoy.
Yeah.
So more younger, huh? Yeah. So not those traditional Korean dishes, this is more modern.
Mostly traditional Korean dishes are you are serving lots of different side dishes.
Yes,
so
yeah.
which is not really.
Some people don't eat that, right? Yeah.
Not everything. So I really focus on the local market.
Okay.
What the local young people what they like, and the flavor also. I adjust with the little flavor.
So this is a restaurant Filipinos can enjoy.
Yes. Okay.
And Koreans as well.
Yeah. So most of dishes maybe around 80%. I will focus on the local dishes that the local people can enjoy.
So that's what makes them different.
And of course we have a Filipino tapas as well.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. That's also variation of the Filipino and Korean.
So yeah, so we'll be expecting something good that we will enjoy. So, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.